Hey Ankita, what happens if I don't treat my sleep apnea? Wait, I'm going to tell you. So the problems usually are very lifestyle related, something like low energy, decreased productivity, anxiety, stress, irritability, mood swings, posture problems, etc. And on a long term, you may also get diabetes because of insulin regulation issues, something called as hypertension, that's extreme blood pressures, and which can also be life threatening. So it's a choice that you have to make whether you want to pop pills and visit the physiotherapist and get temporary relief measures and wait for that one bad day, or you want to get okay and not live with these lifestyle problems which are affecting your day-to-day work life as well.